So today's video regarding HP Tango Printer, and I'm going to show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges. First step is to switch on the printer. Open the top cover. Now the ink cartridge chamber is below this cover, so you just have to press it down and you will see it will open this door, and once you lift it, it will hold itself. The ink cartridges have to come and move to this section. So once they reach here, you will see there is a lock here. So just push it upwards and it will release the ink cartridges. So this printer uses ink cartridge number 64, and to install the ink cartridge, simply place here like this and make sure it goes just under that lock. Hold it with the thumb and press the lock. It will lock the ink cartridge. Do it same for the color. So just place it here under the lock with the thumb and finger. So once we install it, we just close this chamber door here by pressing it down, and your printer is ready for the printing. Overall, it's very easy to replace or install the ink cartridges in this printer as long as you know how to use the lock system. Thanks for watching.